Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, January 30th, and this is my recap of the top 8 videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number 1 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the euro dollar, make sure to check out the video that I made this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So we definitely had a nice downtrend yesterday, as you can see, and then we had a nice impulsive up, corrective down, impulsive up again. We do have a nice Fibonacci bounce. I mean, this does look like the end of an ABC correction. Now, this impulsive move down really hasn't taken out any structure, so we really can't say that it really is the end of a wave C. And we also have interest rate tomorrow for the US dollar. Tomorrow's a big day for the US dollar pairs. So whatever's going to happen over the next 24 hours or so is definitely going to be setting itself up for tomorrow's news. At this point, we'll see. I mean, it kind of depends. If this really does hold this high rate here, then I would say that it possibly is the end of an ABC correction, and tomorrow's news may cause it to go up. On the other hand, if this isn't the end of an ABC correction and it does continue to drift up over the next 24 hours, then I would actually say that tomorrow's news would cause it to continue to downtrend. So I guess it really depends on what happens over the next 24 hours. Like I said, I mean, this does look like the end of an ABC correction, so I mean, if it does make a lower high and a positive move down, I definitely would take it as a short for the continuation of this move to the downside. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.